So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about latest off-campus types 2020 which are applicable for the freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing about the job roles and eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates regarding latest off-campus types and the job references. So if you are not subscribing to our YouTube channel and once watching our video in YouTube, so in the next time the YouTube will definitely recommend our video. So suppose today we have uploaded a video regarding latest off-campus types, and after 7 or 14 days or the 15 days you are watching our video and interested in that job role, and when you are going to apply for the job role you are seeing that the job role is expired. At that time you are commenting like, sir, I have applied for the I am interested for this job role but the job role is expired. So at that moment we can't help you. So I am requesting all of you, in order to get timely update regarding latest off campus types, I am requesting all of you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be getting updates regarding latest off campus types. So once the job role is expired we can't help you because we are not referring here. So the job roles that we are referring, that moment or in that case we can help you, otherwise we can't help if it is a direct recruitment. So now let's discuss about the job roles and the eligibility criteria. So the first company name is Zycus. The job role or the job profile they are hiring for software development engineer in test, that means testing engineer. Then work location is Bangalore, Karnataka, and salary you will be getting best in the industry. So for the freshers you will be getting 4 to 5 LPA, and for the experienced candidates you will be getting as per your skills and experience. Then experience required. So 0 to 2 years of experience candidates can apply for this role. Then degree needed is any, that means BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, BCA, etc. All are eligible for this role irrespective of their qualification or the degree. Then batch, any batch, that means starting from 2018 to 2021, that means the current year, are eligible for this role. Then branch, any, that means all the IT background candidates like CSE, CSIT, and the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical are eligible for this role irrespective of their branch. Then the requirements. So must have 0 to 2 years of experience in automation testing engineering. So no manual testing skills are required or experience is required for this role. So you need to only have experience or knowledge or the skills in automation testing. You must have excellent verbal and written communication skill with ability to work effectively on a team, that means the team player, and excellent understanding of hardware and software system architecture and understanding of hardware and software interactions, so that you will be able to apply your understanding to resolve the issues. And you must be able to set and maintain priorities in fast-paced schedule driven environment. So basically you need only the automation engineering or the testing skill and experience. Other programming languages like C or Python or data science etc. is not required, only automation engineering, because they are hiring for the automation engineer or the automation test engineer. So now the second job role. So also again Zycus, so it is hiring for two different job roles. So the job profile they are hiring for the product technical analyst, and the work location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and salary you will be getting best in the industry. For the freshers, as of the previous one, you will be getting 4 LPA. Then shift, it is not a general shift, it is a US shift or the rotational shift, which includes the night shift. So if you are not flexible enough in the night shift, then you are not eligible for this role. Then experience required is 0 to 2 years. Degree needed only BE, BTech. No other qualification candidates or the degree candidates like MCA etc. are not eligible. Then batch, any, that means from starting from 2018 to 2021. Then branch, all the IT and non-IT candidates are eligible for this role. Then the basic descriptions. So Zycus is looking for the professionals with 0 to 2 years of experience in customer service domain. It is a technical domain, it is not for the non-technical domain. For the role of product technical analyst, trainee product technical analyst in case of the freshers, because for the freshers you will be acting as a trainee. Then the requirements. So you must have strong written and verbal communication skill, which is common for any company or every company. And engineering graduate BTech in any stream. And you must be flexible and enthusiastic approach to work, including a strong desire to learn new tools and techniques to solve the business requirements or the business problems. So you must be doing collaboration with various internal as well as the external stakeholders. Ability to learn, exclude and excel, multitask and work with priorities. So if you have knowledge on the configuration, procurement tools and aware of SDLC, that means software development life cycle, then it will add advantages. So it is not required. If you have skill in these technologies or things, it will add more advantages to your profile. Then understanding of incident management tools and aware of basic ITIL concepts. Again, it's a advantages to you. So this is all about the second job role or second company. Third company is the Edge Town. So they are hiring for the full stack developer or the full stack development engineer. And job location is Visakhapatnam, that means Andhra Pradesh. And salary you will be getting 4 LPA plus. And there is a bond for this job role or for this company 2 years. That means 24 months you need to serve the bond. Then experience required is 0 to 2 years. And degree needed only BTech. No other qualification or qualified candidates like MCA, BCA, etc. are not eligible. Then batch, again from 2018 to 2021. Then branch only IT background candidates, that means CSE, CSIT or IT, etc. Then interview date. So the interview will be happening on 6th December 2020. So the basic requirements are you must not have any active backlog during the time of selection or during the interview process. So you must have 70% or above during your graduation and minimum of 60% in your 10th as well as in the 12th. Then education gap should be of maximum 1 year, if any is allowed between 10th and the graduation. You must not have more than 1 year of back or you can say gap in your qualification or education. So the candidates who have practiced in any edge down technology interview within 6 months, then they are not eligible for this interview. Then you must be comfortable to work in front end as well as the back end development, because they are hiring for the full stack development engineer. Then you must have knowledge or skills in the fundamental front end languages like HTML, CSS, HTML5, JavaScript, Angular, etc. So the JavaScript frameworks, here you can see Angular, JS, etc. Any of these languages. Suppose for the front end, if you are skilled in HTML or CSS, it's fine. You need to have experience in all the languages because it is not possible for a candidate. Then any service side languages, or that means the backend, Python, Java, PHP, .NET, etc. If you know Python only, it's fine. Then database technologies like MySQL or SQL, PL/SQL, Oracle, MongoDB, CouchDB, etc. Then you must have excellent communication skills and the interpersonal skills, which is common for everyone. So if you are interested for this job role, you can send your updated resume to the hackathon@edgetown-tech.com with the subject line applying for the full stack developer. Here you can see, mention this one in the subject line so that they will be able to know for which job role you are applying for. Then fourth job role or the fourth company. So the fourth company is CloudStats. The job role they are hiring for the database administrator intern. And the work location, there are totally three different work locations. So the first one is the Bangalore, second one is Mumbai, and third one is the Pune. So salary you will be getting 3.6 LPA plus, and the experience required or needed is 0 to 1 years. That means freshers can also apply for this job role. Then degree needed is any, and batch starting from 2018 to 2021. So for all the companies, the batch or the year of pass out candidates are starting from 2018 to 2021. So any year of pass out candidates can apply for this role other than 2022. Then branch, any. That means all the IT background and as well as the non-IT candidates are eligible for this role. Then you must have skill on good communication skill, which is common for any company. Then analytical skill, problem solving skills, and desired skills are SQL, knowledge in SQL, MySQL, database administration, which is not mandatory for the freshers, because as a fresher you can't achieve this skill or this experience. Then the MySQL database administration. So these last two skills or the experience, you can say, is only valid for the experienced candidates, because as a fresher you can't achieve all these things, database administration or the database MySQL database administration. So if you are eligible and if you are interested for the above 4 job roles, then you can apply for the job roles. So let me take you to the official websites. This one the JICAS testing engineer. So if you want to apply for this job role, you can click on the apply now button here. The second one is the product technical analyst, again JICAS. So here you can see apply now. The third one is the H-Town. So first of all, you need to send your updated resume to this mail ID, and then you need to fill up all these things. Here graduation passing, you can mention here all these things, backlog, etc, etc. Then simply by selecting this, you need to click on the submit button here. Then fourth one is the cloud stats. So it is a Naukri.com advertisement. So if you have an account in Naukri.com, you can apply for this job role. So I added this one because as a database administrator or the database admin, you have a bright future. So that's why I have applied or added this job role in our advertisement. So I hope you get a clear idea about the above job roles. If you are facing any difficulties while applying for these job roles, you can comment in the comment section below. So I'll be providing these links in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for these job roles by simply clicking on the links. So thank you for watching this video and all the best for your job search.